The truth about the world's deadliest diving spot. The underwater cathedral is thought to be cursed, with people linking the high mortality rates to something supernatural. Various cultures, including the Aztec and Mayan people, equate sinkholes to underground gates. This has made sense to many people, as many divers who have entered the blue hole have ended up crossing onto the world of the dead. According to a Diver magazine report, over 200 people die in diving accidents yearly, and most deaths are caused due to a lack of experience and knowledge. Although knowledge and experience matter, the blue hole claims the lives of passionate divers, experts and trainees alike. That's for a reason. There is a myth behind the blue hole. It is claimed that a father forced her daughter to drown herself into it. Following this, people believe that her spirit still resides in this underwater cathedral until today. According to these who believe in this legend, the restless and lost soul traps and lures divers to their demise, in an attempt to take revenge on her father. The Toa Coma, a technical diver who usually recovers bodies of the dead divers from the sinkhole, has never spotted any spirit or monster there. He doubts the existence of any supernatural influence, and instead blames the deaths on a long familiar diving effect. When Omar was asked about the number of bodies he has recovered from the diver's graveyard, his reply was, "I stopped counting at some point." As a result of collecting so many remains, he has earned the title, the Bone Collector. Reports suggest that this technical diver has pulled at least 20 bodies. But what exactly causes the demise of these divers? Nitrogen is the majority of the components that make up the air we breathe daily. But it doesn't cause any harm, since the atmospheric pressure we live under isn't extreme. On the other hand, divers begin to experience this pressure after diving for only 10 meters. At that level, nitrogen begins to dissolve at high quantities into their bloodstream. This effect makes them feel like they are drunk, and the effect worsens as one goes deeper. At the blue hole, people can dive up to 100 meters deep. This is an adventurous goal that many want to achieve. But diving that far can be likened to attempting to get out of a dense forest at night, after taking some Everclear. This is to say that it's not easy. The effect of nitrogen disorients divers at the bottom. Other than that, there is an underwater tunnel that shimmers with sunlight. This comes from the other side of the tunnel. Thinking that they are getting back to the surface, confused divers get attracted towards the tunnel by the sunlight. This makes Blue Hole the most deadliest diving spot in the world. Leave a comment and let us know if you have something interesting to share with us.